Amazing, really great. I love this show. Come here every year, have an absolute blast. Love meeting all the different suppliers out there, learning about the new products. Great time.
The show is nice because it gives a chance for you to both sit in on conversations and listen to people present, but it also gives you a chance at some of these booths to get a little bit more hands-on.
It's great for building that knowledge, building that value.
And my wife is really the one who's going to be thrilled. I mean, she's set up with some nice beauty supplies, some chocolate, some wine.
Oh yeah. It's always fun to get some goodies.
Thanks so much for putting on the show. I'm so glad to come every year and get the opportunity to meet all these reps. I don't think I'm ever gonna miss one now.
I love controls.
I love control.
I love controls. Go SeaTac.